asset to an assess as an asset to a country. However, if it fails to provide its people with cross suitable employment, they become a they become a burden to it. এরপর হবে it is only through imparting a number cross proper training to যে নম্বর হবে the এখানে the হবে the unemployed that we can solve the acute problem of unemployment. না দেখে তুমি আসো Mirzapur Cadet College, Tangier, 2019. Today, Bangladesh faces a number of problems. Of them, population problem is the most acute. Population of a country can no doubt be এখানে asset আছে মানে a আছে এর আগে এর আর্টিকেল হবে n এর উচ্চারণ হবে n to এরপর হবে country. However, if it fails to provide its people with না দেখেছিলাম ক্রস হবে with suitable employment, they become পরে ছিল কি ছিল যেন ক্রস ছিল হয়তো বুলেট থেকে cross burden to it. It is only through imparting a proper training to